Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So guys, I just came from my dad party, finished editing up the video that I'm supposed to post for my dad birthday vlog. And I decided that I want to do a little discussion. I'm not gonna be too long, but guys, based off of experience that I had before in relationship, at this point in everyone's life, I don't think it is fair for you to hurt yourself just to please someone. Yourself first. A lot of men is very selfish. They don't think about you, they only think about themselves. You will get up every day and you realize, say, hold on, even though we talk every day, I mean always a call. How is it that I mean always a call? Is it because me just always the first him? Me just always the first him? Sorry, I'm gonna be petty, and this is based off of my own life that happened in the past though. Not recently. You know what? I'm gonna call him. I'm not calling him. And must see if this nigga is gonna call me. What do y'all think happened? He never called. And I'm like, wow, day one he didn't call. As much as I used to love this nigga, I'm like, let me call him. Then I say, no girl, don't call him. Don't call him. Then I say, I wonder if something happened to him. Yeah, my Bella Curry. I say, no man, nothing happened to him, man. Cause something happened to him with that ear. You understand? Because the circle small. Day two, me no call him, no call neither. You understand? So guess what I'm now? I start feel bad cause me I say, I wonder if something happened to him. But then I say, no, me not think to him, but I must hear. Me drop my guard like an idiot. I'm gonna call the boy. Hey, what's up? What going? You know? I don't hear from you. Oh, I don't hear from you neither. I say, yeah, but I always a call, so if you don't see my call, you know, call me. If you say, why is it that she didn't call? Why me not call? You could have called me too. So, obviously, he don't want to explain himself. He just want to think that he's okay. Red flag. That nigga not interested, okay? To my knowledge, that's what me to get from it now. Anyway. Talk over that. Go good. Go good. Everything nice, solid. Phone is about to die, so I'm really not gonna stay long. Alright, a week pass. Me a call, and I still a call, you know. Me alone still a call first. If him do call, I want him miss my call, him call back. And it's before I come to America I'm talking about. So me don't want to go think, and anybody who is here in America who is on my channel. Guys, my phone went dead and I got an hiccup. I don't know where this hiccup come from. I don't know if it's because I was eating the cold rice, but this is very bad. Anyway, yes, as I was saying before, me call him all the time. Him not calling me, right? Him not call me, me call him. Then me tell us I did give him 2 days. I no call, and nigga never call. And me end up feel bad, and me I say, I wonder if something really happened to him. And me a boo head, you know. Now realize, say, listen, boy I'm not interested in it. You know, say, you put out all the effort, girl. I mean, whenever I call him, I get him. All the time. All the time. And if I do not get him, he might call me back right after. You know? I'm very tired. He might get me after. Get back good and everything and a week pass. I say, you know what? I gotta do the same thing again. And me alone I call this nigga. This nigga not fuss me. I can't tell me say one day I can't get up and call me. Call me and say I start change up the calling time, you know. I say call as I wake up in morning time. Hey babes, you good? Whatever. Yeah, good. Alright, I call you back such. You know? And me always be the one to call. So I say I start call later no because maybe when me always call you in morning time, he maybe normally asleep or something. I'm wake him. You know me just in a denial. So my eye run water. So I have e-cup, you know. But just in a denial. Out of love, you know. Boy not interested. Boy not interested. Me not call boy not call me. So guess what now? Me not call. 3 day pass. When day 3 come, me I say blow. Me I feel bad because I say me not call the boy. I'm not call the boy. I need to call babes, man. You know, me I feel like me I miss him now, you know what I'm saying? So I said to myself, Mr. Curry, don't call the boy. You know, like when a little person in my head talk to me again. And I say, don't call him. If you ever call him. If you ever. And one next one I say, call the boy and stop going like you idiot. Call the boy. But you know what me do? Guess what me do this time? Me listen to the one where I said, don't call the boy. Yeah? Don't call the boy. Till they go a week, eventually him call. Hey, stranger. Me a stranger. Me a stranger now. Oh, you call me. Say, oh, you not call me. You look up. The man talk look up on the phone. And I never do want to see him again. Till everything just done. But as I did a video, previous video about red flag. And we as females, we know we in our relationship, you know. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm very sorry about these hiccups. But it's so bad. I don't know if it's the cold rice that I eat. But it is so bad and it's horrible. Yes, guys, I hope you guys learn something from this little message that I just give to you. So a lot of times we as females see red flags in relationship. And we act like we don't see it. You know? Because of love. But sometimes you got to be hurt in order to be strong. Sometimes you have to let go. Because sometimes you love something and they don't love you, you know. You understand? Because you don't look, they say you want this in a woman, you want that there. And oh, the boy this is perfect boy. He is perfect in your eyes. But is he really perfect for you? No. Because everything we want him to look like, that's all that you're seeing. But is he treating you the way that you want it to be treated? Nah. Be careful, females. You understand? And I hope you guys learned something from this. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corgudas. Please, guys, subscribe when y'all watch my video. Bye. I'm out.